Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Italian salad dressing, just like your favorite restaurant. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1/3 cup of red wine vinegar, 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, along with salt and pepper to taste. These simple items will create a truly flavorful dressing. Now, let's start by combining our liquid base. In a medium bowl, whisk together the 1/3 cup of red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Whisk these ingredients thoroughly until they are completely blended and smooth. This creamy base is crucial for achieving that signature restaurant-style texture and flavor. Take your time to ensure everything is well incorporated. Next, it's time to infuse our dressing with its signature Italian flavors. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar to the mixture. This helps to balance the tanginess from the vinegar. Then, stir in 3/4 teaspoon of Italian seasoning and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Finish by seasoning with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Whisk everything together until all the spices are evenly distributed. For the final step, we'll emulsify the dressing to achieve that perfect creamy consistency. Slowly drizzle in the 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil while continuously whisking the mixture. Keep whisking until the dressing is fully combined and has a smooth, creamy texture. This ensures all the flavors are beautifully integrated. Once prepared, store your homemade Italian dressing in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Remember to shake it well before each use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.